A fresh-faced makeup hides the fact that you only had 3 hours of sleep last night. Don't we all want that? Alright, let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this fresh-faced makeup right here, and I'm going to include everything that I used in the description box below. So let's get started. First, apply a hydrating primer. This will help your makeup stay longer and also help your skin stay hydrated throughout the day and have that fresh makeup look. Next, use a BB cream or a lightweight foundation and apply it with a damp beauty sponge. Use a yellow concealer to brighten underneath your eyes and your T-zone. Next, take a pink toned blush and apply it with a stippling brush. Apply it on the outer side of your face, just like in the video, and bring it up towards your temple. Your brows frame your face, so you don't want to forget to do it. First, brush it with a spoolie, then line underneath the brows, then fill it out. For this type of look, you want to grab a creamy gold shade shadow and apply it all over your lid. And don't forget your inner corner. And this is the star of the show. You want to get a golden toned or yellow toned highlighter to give your face that fresh face look. You want to apply it with a blending brush all over your face, on your T-zone, and on your temple, so everywhere where the light hits. And did you notice it? I forgot my mascara. So while I'm gonna go get my mascara, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on the next tutorial. And next, as mentioned, mascara. Don't forget to apply it evenly throughout your lashes, starting from the roots to the top. And don't forget your bottom lashes as well. Next, just apply a nude lipstick and top it off with a clear gloss. And end your look with a hydrating face mist. Alright mom, so that's pretty much it. What did you think of the tutorial? So in my channel I always try to make my makeup tutorials simple, budget friendly, and time efficient. So what did you think? Did it follow any of those? Let me know in the comment below. As always, if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for another video. Thank you and see you next time.